everyone. I'm going to do a quick video on how to access Pearson EasyBridge or SAVVAS. So first of all, when you get into your Google Drive is kind of having a hard time, so I'm kind of going from this screen. But if you click on the waffle over here in the top right corner and scroll down to Pearson EasyBridge, when you click on that, you will have no classes here. Some classes might be filled in there, but I always go to the Pearson or SAVVAS Realize over here in the bottom right corner. So once you click on that, this is how you would access your textbook. Some of your textbooks will show up here. I have a lot of textbooks, so they are going to come under that browse, and then the textbook that you want would come up here. If your textbook is new or you don't have any products here, you might have to go back here to this little guy with the little drop down, go to settings. Once you go to settings, go to my programs, and then you can click the book that you need. Just remember that we have different copyrights for each grade level. So 7th and 8th grade have 2021, 3rd through 5th have 2020, and then K through 2 has 2016, I think, or 2016, or it might be 17, I'm not really sure. I'm trying to look for it on this screen. But anyway, once you have that, your products will show up on this screen. So here is another question that we've been getting. If you are trying to link your Google Classroom to your SAVVAS so that you can assign to your students, go back to the little guy with the drop-down menu, go to settings, scroll down, and then it'll say here, account linking. If you click on this, it might say get started or import more classes. I already have my Google Classroom set, but if you click on that, you would find the name of your Google Classroom and link it. If it's not there, then it might already be synced with your SAVVAS account, okay? Just a FYI. So now I'm going to go back into a textbook. I'm going to pick a grade and I'm going to show you how to assign. So if you haven't done this already. So I'll go into 4th grade, into the 2020, and I'm going to pick topic 1, and I'm going to pick lesson 1-1. So in here, you can assign any one of these. You can do the interactive student edition. You can assign any kind of daily review, solve and share. You can do just the visual learning. Any one of these can be assigned. I'm going to assign this interactive student edition. So under here, I'm going to click on assign. Once this comes up, I'm going to type in my Google Classroom. There, if it was Wallace. Sorry, Samantha, I'm going to steal your classroom for a minute. I would click it, and then I would put the start date of when I want it to be assigned for. And I can also put the start time and the end time for that date. I can also put instructions, and then I would just assign it to the class. If you just want one specific student, for instance, this Jasmine, I could put that student into there, or I could assign them to an ESL document. If I want to reteach, I can add them and just send it to their Google Classroom for that student individually. Okay, so hopefully that helps accessing all your accounts. If you have any questions, please reach out to either myself, Jose, Liz, or Joe, and we'll try to answer your questions as best we can. Thanks, guys.